Welcome to Technology in the Future, where we delve into the latest innovations shaping the world of photography. Today, we're excited to explore the highly anticipated Canon EOS RP II, a camera poised to revolutionize the full-frame mirrorless landscape, particularly for beginners and enthusiasts. A legacy of innovation, the original EOS RP. Before diving into the EOS RP II's rumored features, let's revisit its predecessor. The original EOS RP, launched in 2019, was a groundbreaking camera that harmoniously balanced affordability and full-frame performance. Its user-friendly interface, compact design, and impressive image quality captivated photographers of all levels, establishing it as a benchmark for entry-level full-frame mirrorless cameras. The photography landscape has undergone a profound transformation, driven by the rapid rise of mirrorless cameras. Canon, a pioneer in the imaging industry, has been at the forefront of this revolution. The EOS RP series exemplifies its commitment to innovation, and the rumored EOS RP II is poised to elevate this legacy. Key features and improvements. The Canon EOS RP II is expected to be a significant upgrade over its predecessor, offering enhanced features and capabilities that cater to the evolving needs of photographers and videographers. With its improved image sensor, advanced autofocus system, and robust video capabilities, this camera is poised to deliver exceptional performance and image quality. The EOS RP II's enhanced image sensor is rumored to boast a higher resolution, allowing for more detailed and nuanced images. This, combined with Canon's advanced image processing algorithms, promises to deliver outstanding image quality, even in challenging lighting conditions. Furthermore, the EOS RP II's advanced autofocus system, featuring Canon's renowned dual-pixel CMOS AF technology, is expected to provide fast and accurate subject tracking, making it ideal for capturing fast-moving subjects, such as wildlife and sports. In addition to its impressive stills capabilities, the EOS RP II is also rumored to offer advanced video features, including 4K resolution, high frame rates, and improved video codecs. Whether you're a professional photographer, videographer, or enthusiast, the EOS RP II promises to be an exciting addition to Canon's mirrorless lineup, offering a unique blend of image quality, performance, and versatility. The Canon EOS RP II is expected to boast an impressive array of features that cater to the evolving needs of photographers. With its ergonomic design, customizable button layout, and intuitive menu system, this camera promises to deliver a seamless and comfortable shooting experience. Additionally, the EOS RP II's expanded connectivity options, including Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and USB-C, will enable photographers to effortlessly integrate their cameras with the digital world, streamlining their workflow and enhancing their creative output. The Canon EOS RP II embodies a significant leap forward in the world of photography, poised to inspire a new generation of photographers and content creators. This camera's impressive features, combined with its affordable price point, make it an attractive option for those seeking to elevate their creative vision. A bright future for photography, innovation, and advancement. As technology continues to evolve, the photography landscape is expected to undergo significant transformations. Future cameras will likely integrate cutting-edge technologies, such as advanced AI-powered autofocus, enhanced video capabilities, and improved image sensors. The Canon EOS RP II represents a pivotal step in this journey, paving the way for even more innovative and powerful cameras to come. In conclusion, the Canon EOS RP II is poised to become a captivating choice for those venturing into the realm of full-frame mirrorless photography. By harmoniously balancing affordability, performance, and user-friendliness, this camera is likely to establish itself as a formidable contender in the market. Sharing your thoughts and staying connected. We invite you to share your thoughts on the rumored EOS RP II. Are you enthusiastic about its potential features and capabilities? Please leave your comments below. To stay updated on the latest tech news and reviews, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Your engagement and support are invaluable to us.